Imagine earning money online without spending a single rupee. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. This video will show you exactly how to start digital marketing from zero investment. Meet Ali. Ali wanted to earn money online but had no budget for courses, ads, or fancy tools. He felt lost scrolling through endless tutorials and didn't know where to start. Step 1. Learn the basics for free. Use platforms like Google Digital Garage, HubSpot Academy, and YouTube tutorials to understand SEO, social media, email marketing, and basic ads. Step 2. Use free tools. Canva for graphics, Google Analytics to track results, ChatGPT for content, and Buffer to schedule your posts. Step 3. Build a portfolio without spending money. Create free blogs or social media pages and offer free services to friends or small businesses to get testimonials. Step 4. Get clients for free. Reach out to potential clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Offer value first, and your portfolio will sell itself. Ali started small. He completed one free project, posted his work online, and within 2 months got his first paid client, all without spending a single rupee. Follow this step-by-step roadmap, and you too can start digital marketing from zero investment and earn money online. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, tips, and real-life examples of beginners turning into professionals. Remember, digital marketing isn't about money. It's about knowledge, creativity, and consistency. Ali did it with zero investment. Now, it's your turn.